Today we're doing testing on the Harman Motive Evo 10 intake system and upper intercooler pipe. You can see the upper intercooler pipe here. Mandrel bent aluminum, 2-piece with a flex. Fits under the stock cowl. And we also have the Harman Motive cold air intake, which is a single-piece system all the way down to the turbo in the back. Retains hookups for all your PCV and also for the boost return. And then with a billet welded MAF adapter, and it moves the blow-off valve up to the front of the car here, which you can see with the blue piping. Definitely cleans the look up. With the filter mounted over in the corner here, keeps it well away from all the engine heat. You can hear that the intake gives it a nice blow-off valve note. Come around to the back. We've got our prototype raise exhaust system, which is a single muffler. Great. Now we're going to do some dyno tests and see how those come out. Now we do all our testing in the dyno cell with the hood closed for accurate tests. As with all of our parts, we do significant data analysis to make sure that what we're selling is working. We also tune with the hood shut. As an example right now, we're going to go ahead and run with the hood open, which exposes the intake to much cooler air. We have a fan on the hood as well. This is how you'll find that most of our competitors are doing the testing. We do this just to kind of see how the intake does under that environment. Keeping in mind, what's the #1 rule?
You never tune with the hood open.